Uh-oh.
Be careful.
Jenny! Jenny! Where you going, Jenny? You go pick your pumpkin? You're gonna go pick a pumpkin? Let me see, what color pumpkin did you get? What color is your pumpkin? White. Is it small or big? Is it heavy? Push. You have a smaller one in your... Now you have 2, 3. Okay, we're leaving.